Hi, I'm Tor, furniture finish designer at Pottery Barn. Pottery Barn starts with responsibly harvested wood for each piece of furniture. Our finishes are custom blended by hand. To achieve the utmost clarity and depth, we slowly build the color of the finish through multiple layers. This allows for more grain clarity and richness. Our painted finishes are inspired by found objects from around the world. The finishes are artistically crafted using multiple layering techniques of hand distressing, burnished raw edges, texture, and glazing to create a warm vintage patina.